Here's how to convert AVI to WebM. So if we're going from AVI video to WebM video, I created a tool called ConvertSave. It's an image, video, and audio file converter for Windows and Mac. Works on your desktop, works offline. So we can click and drag into ConvertSave, select our output. In this case, we're going to WebM and hit convert. It's going to convert that AVI to WebM. It's that simple. It also saves it right next to wherever your original files came from. So I started working on this with my brother. He's a software developer. I wanted to create an alternative to all the weird, random, sketchy websites that are out there that I have to upload my files to and then download them, and I can only do a few at a time. And so we created this really simple drag and drop ConvertSave app. And it's available at convertsave.com, or just go to the link in the description or top comment down below. But either way, you drag in, select your output, hit convert. And it's contextual here, so this list changes just depending on which conversions are available for whatever file type you drug in. And then also there's this advanced tab where, depending on what conversion is happening, you can change the commands or see the commands that are being used. In this case, we have a primary and secondary command. So the primary command is literally if it can just change the container of the video file and keep everything the same, it doesn't even touch the video and the audio, it's a pure perfect quality conversion. Or if it can't do that because maybe the output isn't compatible with whatever the input was, then there's a secondary re-encode that is the highest quality version or the best quality version that we can do for that conversion. And then there's custom. So if you want to convert in a certain way, you can actually input your own custom presets here and save them for any conversion and use them as a custom conversion command. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that's okay, because there's also an options builder that we put in here to help you build a custom command. And so like maybe you want to check mark quality here and adjust your quality slider. You can do that and it builds out the command for you. Depending on your conversion, there's a bunch of different options here that you can add to your command. And then when you apply those, it'll save to that command. So you can use it for any conversion type, AVI to WebM, here on forward, it'll just save. Or you can go back to the defaults ever if you want to just do like a one-off custom conversion. But these custom options do a lot of different things. You can change the frame rate of the video. You can resize it. If it's images, you can add effects and all kinds of different things. And so that saves in here, so you don't actually have to know what these weird commands are. You can use this options builder, and then it will convert with that command. You can see I've got this little dot up here that shows me that an advanced command is being used. So I have a custom one set for whatever this conversion is. So we're adding a lot of features to ConvertSave. It's already got a lot. It's pretty powerful as is, and it's really simple. I always want to keep it super simple because I use this and I just want to be able to drag, drop, convert, save. That's where the name came from, right? ConvertSave. I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate your support. If you want to go check it out, convertsave.com, or just click the link in the description or pinned comment down there. I'll see you guys in the next one.